All right, y'all, we're out here. I traveled an hour and 20 minutes to get to this trail. It's called the Blue Ridge Railway Trail. It's a 14-mile trail. I was looking for a nice long distance paved trail, but they're all like 2+ hours away. So I got this bike out. We're gonna give it a whirl. We're out here in rural Virginia, just going to see what we can find. Let's go. Oh yeah, I love this. Cruising so far, easy, beautiful river. Let's go. All right, y'all, that's 7 miles. Now I got 7 miles back. This time I'm gonna take a little bit slower, probably find a place to hop in the river. It's gotta be like 85 degrees, maybe 90 degrees, so not in a huge rush. Let's go. This is my happy place here. I think I have like 3 more miles left. I'm gonna knock them out, get back to the truck. It's been a good one. I'd come back, be an easy 14 miles and a whole lot of nature. All right, y'all, see you on the next one.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas and packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the reef.